going to kiss Mama because I'm going to miss.
This is a special kiss, yes.
Yeah,
Sarah's special.
it goes all around her face. I forgot to do her nose.
Okay. Oh, that's so sweet.
I love you.
So, she's saying goodbye to her mom, who's going to Yosemite
Yeah,
for a couple of
and
days.
I'm going to miss her. And this is my brother,
Kevin and
Kevin.
Sarah.
Kevin's so annoying. He really bothers me a
No,
lot.
he does not. You love him, I know it. All right,
Good.
Kevin, be careful.
Be nice. Her shorts. Okay, bye. Thank
No,
you.
that's her
Bye.
underwear.
Okay.
That's her
Bye,
underwear.
Mama.
Bye, thank you.
Bye.
Okay, we'll see you in a couple of days. Have fun. Bye-bye.
Thanks, you too.